It's okay. So the next part. So the next part is going to be pretty fast. We have two ways of doing that, which is I'm gonna make a copy of this sweep. Basically, we need an exact copy, and we are just going to put this number width onto the next one, paste relative. So they are going to be related to each other. So if we made the flanks smaller, it's going to be smaller. The bridge is going to be small. Now, for the export of this, it is going to be ribbon type, but the surface shape is going to be ribbon, but the surface type is going to be uh, rails, which means columns. And we need to export the columns over here, and the columns, we need the two columns over here. You see that? If I put this on the display and change the width over here, it's always going to be at the side of the bridge. Now we are going to put another resample so we can change the amount of our bricks or stones here. Okay, now let's make it 20. It's beautiful. Okay, now we're going to put another sweep, which is, by the way, the new sweep is one of the best nodes in Houdini. They changed it some years back and they made it a lot better. Now you can see what we have here. Now we are going to do exactly what we did with the flags. We are going to copy this nodes over here and just put them underneath facet primitive, so we can change the size, and we are going to extrude up. If you now we are having some, and you can change this. The user or the artist can change this and have this however they want. Now let's put this. We are going to UV them and UV. See what happens. UV flatten and preserve some. UV layout and bevel. It's in my okay. It's okay. It's acceptable for the simple bridge. And now you can choose to, in both of these, you can choose to have the underneath surface or not. Just you can just turn this on. And the good thing with Houdini is everything is procedural, so none of your nodes need to be changed. So you can choose to have this or give the option to user to have the underneath surfaces or not. I'm not going to turn them on because for these maybe let's see what happens. Let's see how it turns out. So in the video I turned them on, but we can do this like this. So we have this here, and I'm gonna put the planks. These are bricks, let's call them. And now what we are going to do, just like before, just have it like this and put it here. I don't want to deal with a lot of like doing this for seeing the final result. By the way, you can turn off the UV grid by this with this. You can change the color if you want. You can change seed series, but I just want to put it like this and turn it off. Okay, I don't want to do this because I want my graph to be organized. I'm gonna put a merge object down, and this merge object is going to be, I'm gonna change the, what did you do? I'm gonna change the shape to a circle and the color to just blue, and I'm gonna put one here. So this is, that was out planks. I'm gonna call this in planks, and I'm gonna copy this, just copy this here and put the bricks in and call it in bricks, and just bring them over here and merge them together so you can see that we know we did this, and you can see our bridge. You see that this is, we are going to change this, we are going to make them better, but we are just going to make it first make the basics, and then we are going to do the rest. So now we are going to do the rails of the bridge, if you may, and let's do it.